Hello. Okay, so I don't have my HDMI cord for my PlayStation, and I just figured out the best way to, well, the only way really to play PlayStation without an HDMI cord. Okay, so let's just get started. So I have mine unplugged. You can't turn it on. And I have my TV off. So first you're going to turn your TV on. Okay, and then you're going to wait for it to turn on. Okay. Since you do not have an HDMI cord, you cannot connect your TV to, your PlayStation to the HDMI. You have to use a different source. Okay, so I got my PlayStation plug here, and I got my outlet. Simply plug it in. Okay? So from there, you're going to press your on button, and then you're going to hear the first beep. After that, you keep holding on to it, okay? So you're going to keep pushing it down, beep, keep holding it until you hear a second beep, then you're going to let go. Let go. Okay, now it's on right now. So from here, you just have to switch through your thingamajiggles. For me, it works on video. And yep, see, now, look, okay, just in case you do not believe me, I do not have my HDMI cord. My HDMI cord would go right through here. See, it says HDMI right here, but there are no cords. See? Nothing. And it looks like absolute garbage. But I do think you can fix that by going through the settings. So you're going to have to turn your controller on. Okay, it's on, and I'm going to go to my settings, because it's on 480 right now, so I'm going to probably be able to switch the settings. Let's go to video. No, it would be, I'm not sure what it'll be. Display settings, probably. Yep, it's video output settings. I think that would be it, right? Press the X button on the screen will be displayed on the, oh, hold up. Yeah, I think it's this one. Press X on the screen. If the setting is not correct, the screen will go back. Will go blank temporarily, then after 30 seconds, the system will go. What? Okay, let's try this. Do you want to accept the setting? Yes. I want 180p. Oh, no. What just happened? What's happening? Okay, so this is a horrible tutorial. I'm very confused right now. Let's wait 30 seconds. Okay. So you're supposed to connect. I didn't even read that. You're supposed to select all resolutions that are supported by your TV. Test display. Okay. I pressed square for that. So it's gonna test it. You're pretty much just gonna wait 30 seconds. Let's pause it. Okay, so it was not correct, I guess. Okay, so let's just do. I didn't do 1080p. I did 1080i and 720. So let's pause it again. Okay, I could not really figure out what was going on right there. I cannot change the resolution settings. I'm either not doing it right or it's not going to change because I had the wrong setting on it. But if you guys figure it out, please tell me how to. Thank you. Bye.